Okay, today we're talking about control systems in corporate meeting rooms. Corporate meeting rooms being conference rooms and training rooms, boardrooms, places like that. What is a control system? Control systems are custom designed control panels that allow the person to control specific things in the room. And that needs to be decided when you buy the system. It's custom, so it's only got the controls on it that you need. It doesn't have everything on it like a TV remote control or a keyboard. You know, it's not full of buttons. You can have one button to start things or two or three and keep it simple and very user-friendly. Things like camera presets, if you have to control cameras in a video conference call, a dial pad if you want to make phone calls, TV channel changing, volume up, down, and mute if you want to mute the room so that remote callers can't hear you. It basically eliminates all those little ancillary remote controls. There's probably a half a dozen different remotes that can go away. If it's programmed well, it's very intuitive and really anybody can use it, especially older folks. If there's a board of directors who are a little bit technology phobic, it's something even they can figure out instantly, and it allows people to control things without having to think about what to do next. You know, they don't have to walk over to the rack to turn the volume up and down and figure out which knob that is. It really takes the focus away from the technology and allows people to focus on the subject of the meeting. Or if it's a training room, it allows the instructors to focus on the lesson plan. So, great concept.